guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I can call you, go to share video where Mama Ijore of Paris. They talk to person. They talk to Ketero. You go to share and who and if a bola we be. O career. Una not the do saga for family. But you they promote saga every day. No tea you have a way bikini yaran if a bola we be. Or more than any respect in the visual. They carry and put for your heads. I never see how I don't get your time. Where I wanted they wash because you too small, you don't get level, you don't get class. Now person that they tell me now say I can go the share. Which kind of character be that one? You go the shares with it consign Mama Ijore, go the share and get Ketero. They know when no according to our people, they say they know where or however. I don't understand your country. A way you can subscribe for unlimited for less than 150 euro a month on your phone. You go just say the unlimited. Hey, not be this Germany, they see that kind of thing. They get gigabyte where they give you. You get gigabyte where they will give you. Not be say you go just do unlimited like Wi-Fi, you just the carry and they go for phone. You don't go finish less than 150 a month for this country. You don't see that kind of thing. So they give you SIM card, but you go get a gigabyte where they follow and if you finish, you are your own. Now unlimited they call them, but it's not limited though. If you finish, you finish. Yes. German now they do something like that. German people they are that money be there. That money they come this life can do. Don't just mind them. They are money mogul. Now money mogul found that is what I use. They don't build this country like that. They build this country in a very, very different way. Please share the video, my lovely people, if you are joining the video. If you have not shared the video, continue to share the video. Waiting at the year say what's it be name? Dan Felicia Kia. Omon Dan. They say now so you go to share video where my majority talk to Ketero. It shall be your own for insight. You know where who are. Now not they do saga for family. But everything we consider saga for life, you know your body and your hand, like for the same. No your hurry, you know your man deke. No who are. Oberitari that way. You defend how you want to waka yourself. You dey run up and down, they cry for yourself. No, you hold you. Not true. Say you go to share. Now they look for trouble, but now they want me person to talk now. Here if you la do agbu you will say they look for your trouble. Wait, be say una no dey do saga for family, but you know they stay one place. Anywhere we saga dey, na they for they see you. But una no dey do saga for family. But if saga day anywhere, they must see you for day. Egbe when you need to win, una even on we yaki koni. When you be like all those small, if you only gear ni, you must go carry that your small body. You will go carry and come out for inside. What it concern you? Now you be the Ketero way to. And they ask you question. That same Ketero way you come a fight today. Not being you the support before. And they ask you question, not matase. They put them for your head. Not be you the support them before. You not the support Ketero before. What it can happen now? Where be say you dey join your mommy they beat them. And they ask you question la de gie ke na mieve ke gui. E de no ho wa. No mind why ya so yi. And they ask you. That they ask you. Now something you put for ground, make you talk. Mighty time of one more day. You not fit talk can. No more one more day. Kiko. When you don't reach out to come and promote fights now, who way ana me way? Who saladiana you be number one for inside? You want come promote fights? I know what no waiting you go working here. Omo dano je buda bije. Oho ba na eri oho ni gbe. Now you they put the video for years. Only he gbo e wagbon. Now not the do saga for family, but now where only he did not for the see you. You know say I tell you say he call where he and him live video now. Me I hear fian say you want use your this thing, your hand and your leg, that your small short hand and short leg. Can't they put body for somebody saga? No go vem adeni do giasen yo wow. Down of babe. You know they do saga, but you know they finish for where saga dey. Una know they do saga for family. I said the video where mommy Jure do concerning Peteron. The carry and give you where you go to share and where I'm not going to show you. Kiko. If fake account now you for they do your work all these years. Now you don't come up for fake account. You don't enter. You don't go open your Facebook where you will take the bully people. The bully go on wagmon uri okori uni ba bola we gbe. Omo dano ho. Ukiyoto. See the picture where you carry come and shame go let you even carry. Now if they talk say you want beat me, you know they even they fear. Not be as you small rich. The time when you come my house for Gemini, they even they pity you. They say, oh no, na me that Italy. See as small. It be like a ovion twin for grant. So now the seafood the chop for Italy. Now wait till I come to ask myself, so on I mean that it didn't wait for tomorrow. Even weekend to me, can't wait by Ruwa. Even do have you born with in the way from tomorrow I they ask you question Felicia. 1 million wo about money about bola we gbe. They put that for your head. The one where you take the betting, the bully, the bonyaga, they go for everywhere. You go carry video where they don't carry give you. Go carry baga. Now you are that is a platform when wo ana me have blog and na bully here. You know if I can't no go to book where even you bully him and we love yourself. All of the fool everywhere. Fake accounts where you get where you take the bully people where you say you even love. The many. You are gbari. Omo down je would have ye picking we don't get sense. See as you be like Ariako for ground. You short, you small like short devil. Poison that come in small bottle. Women will be like you the way we be so. Now so evil. Now they work out for inside their mind. Evil ba. Ofuna wa mie uwe koku duyan. Emi obe ro na mie bo for gbe rival. Nuri okori yu wagmon. No wi jore to gbo ege. O yere no ko wo ge kian no ma. Adazoma adazehesesi. We be say mommy jore no de la video boy be see they make una de mad. If they make una de crease. If they make una de throw away pine for street. If they make una still de romprikoyoni. The huena muwa be mani uwa. Person no go de la video go de say yes. Oh ya emo ya gbo wa vie la video. Una will see the 5 person una no de see. E ima wa. We say una de see. The time una de see for live video na problem for una. Na no cause the see for live video na see wahala for una. Why ye be mi we? Ye ku wa ye be mi e wa yi muni jori. Iya wa ya. They do now this kind of thing. They do now. Another shape. My people. That's why they waka they go. When they send for me say Felicia cannot they promote fight against mommy Jore and Kitiro. They promote and say me when I say this one. You will come out to say na cream you want say. Instead when you go face your cream, may you say your cream. No cream on 1 more day. Na nous jevo. You know see I tell say your cream. Na fight you want come promote. Nuri your hoy. Wa agwan egbabu no way. Instead when you go attend your speech therapy. May your tongue stay straight for mouth. You want come to be a fight promoter for live video. Live video no go na we saga wa. Saga wa. Not be so you dey talk am. Day and night. Hypocrisy gbu e bagmon. Me wey know you na dey always dey tell them since. Me una no mind. No dey okose no be me nyakan. Na she be o. No dey. Because I know. No dey okose no be me nyakan na she be. All those saga wa. Saga wa. Where she dey talk. A position who wan ibun saga self. Iye kwe odi am itonari ye inori bagwe. Mama egbae. Iri raje. Era mi malake mi ogbaleke no na mu mi ni me itona to yin. Me kon bi se na geta. Awo jibi yunji na papa get. Awo jibi yunji we papa get. Na dey with am. Na himself still get. Omo tan no je we rabi je. Ari okhori wagmon. Ni mo mi jure o to gbuwe. No woge here. A video when it time now we see finish e. Ono ga my ha. Oh gba finish e ya finish video ni. E mo move video no ri lati ani gbe ma oho. E video la de yiki. Eri wa we ya we video ana we video lowo. Azele bu no magba. Waze gbegbe gba unu we waze dede gba unu we. Ogunwa. Go dey promote fight concerning person wey not do you anything now. The day wey that one will come call you, can't tell you saving. No, I know say that attention you define. Only attention where you define now we not dey let you take do anything. Only one topic now you come and say you want to now. You answer what you want topic. Topic is mamu one day. So my time of one day. You know if you talk about one day. Mumu.com. Ewu. Aga imone neme yoto nutane. Oh hipita so unu. Uye ya hipita. Now here we for solve today, my people.
This woman they apply for Felicia say he go beat Felicia for ghetto. He dey apply for
this one. Now the one when I do for Ritoto AY TV today, my people. So now Ritoto AY TV now for doing. Now today I want to finish for you. Yes. Now Ibo say they plan for and say he want beat and so. Ibo we go gather. Wait two of the gather go start work. He say Ibo they plan for and say he want fight. And I don't say Ibo we they plan wait for person for get say yeah back we that we get to the back now. Since when I did this Europe, and I don't see Ibo. Ibo go tell you say I want go wait for front of gate for you. Felicia kia dango hungry. He say Ibo say he want go wait for him for front of gate. Ni have book bag now. Why me bu no yak back home have gate today? You know why you twin sending? You to na rokwa be no lie we no dey come out for a mat.
anytime we dey na Felicia matter na dey tell say Felicia come dey control work. Now she go tell us na Felicia work best. He dey place to say he want beat Felicia. We no want tell Felicia. Make Felicia no fair go raise on. Felicia no fair go raise on this woman because Felicia gets hot upper. But we can't tell you. Say see the plan where this woman dey plan. Not be where I reach work one day. They give me letter. I never know. You know if you open person letter, they say make I give her. I never know so this thing happen. Now give her the letter. When she opened the letter, now she started to cry. Felicia, why do you do me this? Why do you do me this? They sack me. Why?
Now you wait till you use the man take confess. Person where can't work for where they work for Italy. That one no green me you oppress am. You no green me put on the top of your head. You no green me they beat am. You no green me they that one no green humiliation. You no green me they treat am bad. You can't go they talk life for your body, make they take pursue that one for work. When I tell you what video now we do yesterday. Shame, you know shame. Shame no organ. You open my talk that kind of thing for this kind of video. I take common food for person max. Wow. As Italy hard reach to find work. As Italy they difficult reach to find work. Akiko iriera wa jeze. If I dey tell you now to say na joke. Oh my God. Now so your papa be. Ere. Now so your papa job be. Maybe that one just start the work now. He just see and say the way that one they do, that one not ready to turn to slave for him. He go plan with people where get work, make the sack him. Go life for your body. Shame, let him open mouth for live video. Can they talk this kind of thing? Veni ye ya seti ya. Veni ye ya conspiracy ya woman elimina. You now see the reason why frustration dey in life where the family one carry body they go. Evil bungbe no you. Since when they born me, I never drive person for work one day. For work, where they say that they drive person for work. Go and make a report that will make a person to receive a sack letter and leave work. I've never done it. See what this one they confess for a month. Avi vona ya waru wenye Felicia. All this evil dey your finger. How to drive people from work, from their own food. Food where God give them.
Report. I say me report you. I never report you.
Oh yeah, Talia Perez.
I deny she not take her from my hands. Now the director she come tell and say, not be she can report you. Now people where they discuss with, now can report you.
See lie.
You see how God punish her.
Now lie you they talk. Now you go report her. People where they gather they discuss for work, who you be, where they go report on your behalf for person. You and people they work. You not receive notification. Me una rion una notification na. Na flag where they flag my video na kosan. They flag and make notification go out so that I don't receive and I don't go join the video. So if you dey here they watch the video, open your video again and re-on your notification down. Yes, every 2 minutes they flag it away so that people will not receive it. If person bad, if they bad finish in every area. Now so it they be. He go drive person for work. Can you imagine? He say the person they gather they discuss and those people go report am. Me and person go gather they discuss my chef or my person. Not be even chef. As we they gather they discuss, the person will just go report me. Or why I report. He go just go report by himself. And that's that kind of thing. Or why I report. Good evening, my darling.
She left the work. I'm still there till now. I go and come back. I'm still there till now. Oh, you know, say if they stop you for work, you get waiting they go right give you. If you go other working place, the thing go they follow it they go. They go tell you say so and so place wait for work. One bring the curriculum, everything you take work. You have experience of work.
Ijo salopo ame o curriculum vitae na she want I say kolikoli. Una hear my people. Kolikoli Felicia. Hey. No mi erwa le ni rwa baba, erwa ma babe. Curriculum vitae. Italo people, una we dey Italy, how una take dey call am? Na kolikoli una dey call am for that side. I bet wetin una dey call a CV for Italian language. Wetin una dey call CV for Italian language? Na kolikoli una dey call am. Ije, me I put am back there again. Ije bomi sino nyago again na. Ibakpa wa wazove kuwe ole ato do evil. Na your day your belly. Apart from how to do evil, you don't know everything. Kolikuli na be curriculum better. Ijo salobo ame o. Imagine condition when was se veni o baba. He?
Then that thing go there say you be bad person, you threaten to beat person, you threaten. Now they worry until today. Now they worry until today. The other when I sell for supermarket one day, he greets me. I say where you come they work? He say na house.
He can't even say he greets me. He say he greets me. Hey! Oh, Baba, English is a logo. Shame and disgrace. Now you carry calopi. Correct this not be calopi they call am. You just use canopy to cover this one for ground. Otherwise, a canopy go on our kikona gwegi for shame and disgrace of the highest order. He say kuli. Curriculum vitae na want to go. I want hear that kuli place again.
I know they their session, they another session. He said that one know they work where they just they talk now job they do. You are not working fine. You are not another one come to say now the straight why I get now to the work. He say this now why you especially that una mama will be me Felicia. That una mama will be that side. Now she'll call the tafia for this side, she'll call the control us for this side. Now that one tell and say, if Felicia not control, you want to control. Now she they control for you. He said, do you mean it? Now that one say, yes, now she they control for you. He said he go wait me for gate one day. He go beat me. I know the
Oibo go just say go wait for person for gate, may beat her. Oibo, re German, re Italian, re Francais for work. Not be Maria Grotti. Not be Agbero, not be for Ring Road, not be for Ekioba. Oh, we are what Jacke with the gate. Ebo, we sing winner. I beg go, mama, you wait the right for yes, untouchable mama. Now so Italos the react back over the sing winner. When Italo go your clothes for work in the evening, what they winning, maybe you una quarrel for a sidewalk, or when I back with the sing winner. For Germany, we know they see that kind of thing for you. Or Ibo go say I back away. For Germany. Oh, we are back away, Basadi. One for then why I mean, bay. There were bononaje. I beg, Italy won't have day for them. I saw Ibo de Bahoma. Felicia Kia say, oh, Ibo we are back a heavy bay the young winner for then yak back mina.
way they talk am. Now I can't fear. Don't say white people they fear now. Say person go say he go beat person. He say he go beat me. He go do this one. He just talk am. That one yourself you go off. You go tell them say this woman they apply for Felicia. Say he go beat Felicia for ghetto. He dey apply for any time we dey na Felicia matter now they tell say Felicia come dey control work. Now she go tell us na Felicia work best. He dey apply to say he want beat Felicia. We don't want tell Felicia. Make Felicia not fair go raise hand on this woman. Because Felicia gets hot up her. But we can't tell you. Say, see the plan where this woman they plan. Not being where I reach work one day, they give me letter. I never know. No fear put person letter. They say make I give her. I never know saw this thing happen. Now I give her the letter. When she opened the letter, now she started to cry. Felicia, why do you do me this? Why do you do?
When she opened the letter, she can't cry. Felicia, why do you do me this? Hey! Oh boy, wa bi avie ga bi hu yen bi simu. Ne bo be vie bi simu no wa budo. They will give person sack letter for work. People wey me know, workers, real workers when I know, they know they open their letter for front of person. Number one. Mo na te no say lie wey dey this life. I mean a room we kulikuli na way. Oh, Ibo go open letter for their for hot topper. Not be hot topper, hot topper. They go open their letter for your front. They don't do it. White people don't do it. When they receive their letter, you will never see the content of their letter. I don't know as much day for it alone. But Jammers will take day. Now they talk so. If you give Jammer and they don't give a confidential letter to a worker. Do you know that? At a working place, who are you? A confidential letter is given by the authority of the work. They will tender it to a person who the name is on the letter of confidence. For the sake of confidentiality, a letter that is meant to be a confidential letter is not given to just anyone except the person that the name is on the letter, the owner of that letter. Somebody say that girl just the lie. Why people for here wey not they work? The way our black they work here. Okay. I be my people. Do they give confidential letter? They will just give it like that to anyone. Say take. Go and give it to that girl wait for the quarrel for a sidewalk there. If you can't just say take, I'll give you a sharp letter. Take. Yeah, the person will now open it. Yeah. When the person will now open it like this, will now see. I sack you. Then the Italian woman will not be crying. Say, Felicia, Kia, why did you do this to me? Felicia, Kia, why did you do this to me? Italian women know. I be your Igbo when I know. Now let you date alone. Do you not know say people many for live video way date alone? Oh, okay, now what ta will kake do him to one. Why be live video now? You okay, yasun. What you not see, you say you see.
They sack me. Why do you report me? I say, me report you. I never report you. I'm not the one. I deny she not take her from my hands. Now the director she come tell and say, not be she can report you. Now people where they discuss with, now can report you. You see how God punish her. She left the work.
So because person not allow you oppress her, now God come punish her. Who you be? Are you the assistant to God? Are you God's assistant? It be like say now you they do, now you be the assistant of God. After God, now you can the wo izelele. God come punish am because you know one make you the oppressor. God come punish am for work. I wish you agree make you dey control am with this your small body where you be like if yaki kone die na ye. Uro ya guwa uro vio gugu woman. I wish you green make you oppressor if God for no punish am. Jo wa o wa we wa je na keni jouer jeve UK. O wa je ke na mudia o na oppressor am illiterate. Na gbon ma oho.
I'm still there till now. I go and come back. I'm still there till now. Oh, you know, say if they stop you for work, you get waiting they go right give you. If you go other working place, the thing go they follow it, they go. They go tell you say so and so place wait for work. One bring the curriculum, everything I take work. Do you have experience of work? Then that thing go they say.
Una ye. Go and bring the curriculum vitae. Now you want to go. Go and bring the curriculum. Ijo salobo ame oh Felicia. Somebody say pronunciation of Felicia is very bad. Very bad. Kuli. Curriculum vitae na don't want to kuli so say na kuli na ikonbio. If to say na me they speak all this kind of jargon, na she they speak good English the way I be. This girl for let me hear what for live video. Akikona agime. Akikona, this small akiko don. You to na rokwa bi bisi na. He say kuli. Hey, it job be like person with the yo carry iton kon the yo tiera into two. Na so job be. Oh you wanna ye ho fian yeva. Say if you want to talk the thing go come upon like this all of the fourth row in the middle of the tongue.
You be bad person, you try to beat person, you try to. Now they worry until today. Now they worry until today. The other, when I sell for supermarket one day, he greets me. I say, where you call the work? He say, na house. He call the work.
He greet me, na say greet. He greet me, now he come, hey, oh, baba ni baba. After how many years in Europe? After how many years with you in Europe? Maya Fishberg, exactly. We are obsessed with one another. Same way you are obsessed with us. Yeah. Thanks for joining. Your obsession brought you here. How many years in Europe?
You know if you work for company again. I'm not the one that caused it. She's the one because she had that bitter soul. She believed that black people, they are poor. They don't have anything. That is what she was thinking. That I don't have right in this working place. How can black person will be controlling this big place? Where they say Italo people day. This one will come for Africa. This one will not the bar.
This one will not even sabi talk for math. He say now he can control the big place for Italy. Then where Italian people did, the woman come to say, where we say this kind of black will come to control where hey Felicia. You get that kind of opportunity, you don't come live video. The way you take the talk so. A good opportunity now get a good way. You know go come live video. You are just a lying. You too lie. You too they lie. You too they lie. Somebody say Italian we not like black one day. Which way you like black like that? Where they will give you control over white. Full time. To the level of even sacking a white person from work because of you. Don't be saying get what to do you because you just gossip with another person, though you give a sack letter. Who are you? You can't think. All this kind you're thinking with your head so now so your head will see they tell you say how I wish say now you they control that video. Now this kind think it will pass through your head. Can you imagine?
You want to talk about they say Africa people where they say fly, they enter on a mat. For in they sell for television, small children fly or just they enter their mouth, they come back, they'll just they use their hand, they eat. You can't tell me that what I left apart from because I don't want to touch around. Because I get patience for my work. I love my work very well. Before they tell me say now you go they control. You get where you go reach. You get diploma where you go get. Now inside that working place, they carry me go another school again. I go learn. I go school again. Almost 3 years again to go another school.
Salobua. Baba ne baba mana okay na for work by we bo no wonder one billion just the worry this Felicia. My people, I bet una hear wetin I hear. For inside that same working place, they can't carry and go another place for inside the gay the room of the other room. From the other room, they can't carry and enter the other room. They can't go train and gay for 3 years for inside that same working place. Felicia Kiako Joe. They can't carry the company, give and made the ruler. Somebody said she's not school at all. If I say I don't go laugh, I must laugh. If I say I don't go laugh, I must laugh. Somebody say she will not fit speak Italian. Hey, you say that so they come from inside that working place, they come carry and go inside the other room again. And I don't be another room, be another place for inside that working place. They come carry and go. E Pitaso. Why you discussing it the idea? Pitaso.
Again, to upgrade. I did not pay 1 naira. They send me to school. They pay everything for me to go to school because they know say I get that break to do this work. This is my job. You understand? So anybody from somewhere will just come and start messing up. No, don't just talk with that person. They are bitter so. You go see her for working.
Hey. Okay, now what Bamo say? Okay. He knows how to speak Italo. He knows how to speak English. He knows how to speak Pidgin. He knows how to speak Bini. Everything where they speak, no one they complete for a mat. All of the job they fly come out for different corner of a mat. And if you go sit down, man. Oh, Baba ni Bamba. Baba. He said that so they can't carry and go one place for day. He can go lay. He can go. He can go 3 years, 3 Felicia. What did you drink yesterday when you talk all this talk?
Yes, you go see her for where you go let work. You go see her for house. You go see her for family. You go see her for everywhere. They are not hard to know. It's very easy to know them. Like that woman, the very day when she started to ask me, say, now don't shake Gabbana pants you they wear. Now no say okay, this one is don't start to comment on my pants. Now no say this one a bitter so. Jealousy don't come.
Okay, una reach your now change for work. You open pants, you remove shirts, you remove trousers. They show woman like you pants. May for see and say you wear Dolce Gabbana with the say for Napoli. May the for see and say you wear Napoli Dolce Gabbana. Yeah, that one can't see now because you show her. Don't be waiting you want show. Don't be as you can't la video so you say you must come to show us breast. So if people can't comment for the breast what they see for straight now, all those boys where like to come the bekwa you win when they call the bekwa put on top. You can't say they do evil. Not be the woman comment for what you show her. As you can't comment for what you show her na public. You the kind person where you be.
Now so you don't know that they are full of jealousy. Their mind will not tell them good thing. Their mind will not tell them positive thing. It will always give that message negative. That is bitter so for you.
That's so it be.
They are so frustrated and they are depressed. If they are with husbands or they are with family that know them very well, that can take good care of them, they should take them to the hospital and they will be taking some tablets to be calming down. Without that, they are going to remain bitter so and they will run mad.
Okay, without their family not carry them go hospital, when they go they take this they'll come with this message where they give him mama says the one hama you you do akbe twin no work baby ana if they use until the bulala mama says Peter so
they will run mad.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello. Good evening, Rita.
Good evening, my lady. Yes. Good evening.
Because she says she works in the hospital. Me, I'm in Italy. We have two types of to assist in the hospital.
Two
the
type of
first one
assistants in the hospital.
assistance in the hospital or where the old people reside.
In the care home, yes.
You understand? Yeah. The first one, they do it for just 6 months, which is only assistance to the patient then. While the second one is assistance, which is 1 year. That 1 year, you have to do it 6 hours every blessed day for 1 year. When we have other private institutions that do it for maybe 2 hours a day or 3 hours a day or 4 hours a day, which you will do for 2 years, then you have your diploma.
Yes.
Then the one of 6 months, they don't give diploma. They just give you a certificate of frequency.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. That one that she is saying that they sent her for 3 years course is a big liar.
Now that one you call for, you don't know say I like the talk before. We not believe you.
Yes, I just want to educate some people because most people maybe they will believe. Okay. You see, when you are working with a particular hospital or a private hospital or a government hospital, and you have to upgrade. That upgrading that they do, maybe you will do it for 8 hours.
8 hours, Sabi?
And that 8 hours, yes, that 8 hours is a day job, which they will pay you.
Yes.
I have never seen any way that Felicia will go for 3 years course. For what? For what? Even the one they do, if you want to be a representative of your department.
Person will not sabi open my talk, so now so you they believe something, my lady. We they use and cash cruise, we know say na lie they talk.
Because
the
lie we have in social media is too much.
Ija.
It's just to look at what she's doing there. What she's doing there. That she's just lying. A nursing course in Italy is still.
You not even hear just now same when you say now so you go give person sack letter. Now so the boss can say you talk to Felicia.
It's not
can you imagine?
People give sack letter to somebody to give to somebody. They call the person direct and present that sack letter to that person.
Nobody give a sack letter to a worker, say take, go and give another worker. And you can see open her for your present. If you open her for your present, you can read that, you can start to the cry. Say, why did you drive me? Okay.
When they cry, say, Felicia, why you do me?
Why you drive me?
Before they start with the talk, they lie. Remember, say people, they Italy.
The wezebo, get what below, get what do feel like
nonsense. My sister, they continue, but I did yet to listen to you.
He can fool himself. Now so he be lie. Now so papa na lie machine for okay. Now machine papa be that one not be liar again. Now those one can be machine.
Coming down. When they take that tablet, they will become that spirit will.
What you about tablet? Hey, oh. You say when they take that tablet, not be even tablet again, a tablet. Fair, kojo. I bet na way data na not get speech therapy doctor for day. We they call them this thing for your key logopedy. Now we they call them for Germany. It not be say you be small picking or adult. You will go and they will fix your speech. They will be teaching you. They will be like therapizing you. This one, you don't dey Italy. People where they put person for speech therapy. Then we shall be tablets again for his side. Hey, whoa, tablets. Ide abi. Well, what you call the happen? What's the name, Joey?
Down, we come down. They will not be harsh like that. They will not be using power to talk. They will not be using that their inner voice, that devil voice that come out from there. That is my job. I have people that I look after that are depressed. If you ask her, why are you depressed? He go say, I did not make it. I want to go and borrow money. I want to go and that is what they will tell you.
For you to be a healthcare worker and you be asking a direct question like that to the person you are giving care to say, why are you depressed? Now, so now they do one for Italy. You never see where person where they take care of go get up, a mental patient go give you slap for his eye. You You just they ask and say, why are you depressed? Say, why are you Are you people allowed to ask such questions? Very unprofessional. Why are you depressed? Person you just they ask people where they take care of for care home. You they say, why are you depressed? The person you come they tell you say, see why you go borrow money for bank. If not say you're not depressed. Arara or Felicia, very unprofessional. You need to receive a sack letter and leave that place. You are not a health caregiver, not to even to talk of nurse. Why are you in school? Nursing course in Germany is 3 years. You will not wash your nyash so. They talk like say now. So you not be person where they do the same feed where you did. Now come and explain everything just now. Like by you.
The other one say, I did not make it. My husband was that. My husband was that. I was running on. There's no a good point. If you ask them, what is your problem? What these people have done to you? What make you depressed? Why are you angry like this? And she will feel, or he will feel that it's a sense. He never offended anybody in his or her life. They will say they are the best. And their hand is very clean.
Oh. This live video with Felicia, I want to learn how to talk. So now only this one. Na pawa damebo. Baba. After all this, why meeting man running up and down. The time when they're supposed to go sit down for one place, go school. Now she want to sit down for live video, come learn how to take the talk. And na pawa get us be way, Baba.
That is what they will say. They don't go for people. People always go for them. That is bitter so for you. They don't run people. People always run them. It's people that always offend them. They never offend.
I'm not telling you say na mama for UK they give these messages. No one that none of you follow are good. Because they know say this Peter so where this one carry come as so. This Peter so. Oh, you don't have my number. Let me put my number here. This Peter so where this one carry come so. Okwe Peter na nijinya na Peter so. Na Peter so na their mama be now those one just off a run come on say, hey, this kind of Peter so where you can carry come so. 382. That's the number, my darling.
So, now people they do they know they do people. That is what they always say.
Peter so.
Then when you will ask them, why are you here? Why are you here? Why do they put it on this sick bed? He will say, my mother not do this. My mom, everything they see is negative. They don't even see positives. Things in their life.
For the talk. So Peter so and person where they stay for hospital.
They don't know how to move on.
People where they see for hospital, where this one they take care of, you don't tell them to Peter so. Because of say they do hospital bed, if you ask the question, they're depressed. So is depression a part of bitterness? Yes. Maybe should they take care of old people at home care, home call lavoro domestic, badanti, abi. I bet person where the hospital bed will lie down for hospital. Which connection you get with Peter so? I felt lavoro I see that this one be. Person where the hospital bed will lie down for hospital bed. Which connection you get with a Peter so? Which connection? Yeah?
They don't know. If their boyfriend just live there, you go see the depression, you go see everything. They have already have that bitter soul. That is why. They don't frustrate. That is why. Frustration, bitter soul lead to depression. When you are depressed, you no go hear A, you no go hear B again. Not be saying you no get ear. Your ear is very open, but you will not understand anything. Confusion all over you. You don't know what to fight for your rights.
Confusion. Hell, confu. Even if you, I bet you're confu, baba. Confusion. Don't turn to confusion. Oh, don't turn that one to confu. Ona la video le ke na ware na waduria mi ya wa baba ni baba. My people, now hear that one. Now confusion, now you can't they call confusion. You don't turn out to confu.
And you don't know what God, I reject two people in my life.
Hey.
I reject them.
Baba.
My next topic, when I will come back next, I'm going to teach how to deal with bitter soul. How to deal with them. When they not go see roads, can't near you again. How to deal with bitter.
But he say just now person where the hospital bed say if they have the question they no fit answer na Peter so you want go deal with people where the hospital bed. You want go come teach people say oh man I bed the hospital if you depressed you ask some question they no fit answer. So you want to teach people for public how they want to deal with people where they on top of hospital bed. Felicia. Egbe wo we nenu ya low ye you don't tire. Eh? Why you not come teach us today now? We dey wait for you make you come teach us topic. Abi you know say it's very important for us to lay. Yeah?
Put them to where they belong. Use your leg to match them. When you deal with them. When they see your name, the first letter of your day, that is how you will deal with bitter soul.
Now what you want to teach them the next time na be this so. One of the way to deal with Peter so you wear machine yan ya agmariabe. So you why you wear machine yan ya Peter so the agmariabe. And then what be F anyway. Anyway what person you write F put yan why you unso ha yan the bita. Eh? Hey. Eh?
No mercy for them. No mercy for them. Because
Oh.
They don't make sense anymore. They don't use their brain anymore. Their skull is so empty. It's so empty. Their reaction is they overreact. Where there's no case, they will find case there. Where there's no problem, they will always find problem there. That is their way. That is their.
She have a message, but she don't know how to present it. She have a message, she don't know how to explain herself. She have a message, she don't know how to put it. That is what her problem is. Why? Education. Yes. Why? No natural wisdom. Why? No senses. Why? No language. These 4 things when I mentioned so. That is why she cannot put her message forward. No language. There's no language to present her message. English language was not good enough. She can't explain herself in English. She can't do it in Benin. She can't do it even in that Italian language, which she cannot explain herself. The message is inside of her. Passing it out is the problem. The medium where the message will use to come out, the channel is the problem. That's why she's just fooling herself on top of this English that she's speaking. Eh? Somebody said before you go into motivational speaking, first go to learn English. Your English is terrible. Better concentrate on your cream business. Your English is terrible. It's very terrible, my darling. It's terrible. She's making a very huge fool of herself in public. She said, kuli. She wants to say curriculum. She said kuli. Curriculum vitae. When they look for work. CV. She said kuli.
And they will gossip and gossip you. They will come out and say, I'm not the one. I don't gossip.
Can you imagine?
I don't gossip. That is what they do. And they are the recorder. They know how to record people very well. And not only recording from phone, the recorder that I'm talking about, they will remind you. So and so time, you do this. So and so year, you do this. They can describe you from your hair to your pants, the color of your pants you wear.
You know, say me sabi the zero give and where. And I just sabi they describe and where I go to remember, because if you don't know, say when this saga one start, me will remember the time where would they say, where would they use a C color, they do yam. They use yam, do a C color for Benin. If you don't know, say I go remember. If you don't know, say I remember the way Papa take for the banana and the plantain with the yuca. If you don't know, say I go remember the time we are doing what we can do one for Zioka, 2 brothers. If you don't know, say I go remember everything. It is say this saga way one follow me start so. Now the one way job be say we will just talk once or twice, you just finish. You know, say me, you can't go they do avulu. He will carry a pot, come break at the end of the day. Me don't break a 50-liter jerrycan. I don't break another 50-liter jerrycan. You might even back on you, my begging in a hinny. Make belaki no hinji only. So now I make they talk for years, say, now say, Iya gizere. Iya ya jere, we no see you no. 20 years ago, they not they forget, na so Peter so be. I bet na Peter so na not they forget. Oh, mono nyagbo man emiamia. You where they say, na so you sabi, you know everything, you they plan, say you want come follow person fight. Person where you say you want follow fight, somebody say shame to even say or call household enemies his sister in public with her English. I'm telling you, she was very surprised, not what she expected she saw. She never knew that many things I said that I know about them, I will know it. That is how we are. Generally in my family. Yes, my mother I have my mother character 100%. If you see my mother, you see me. My mother can know everything about your history, but she don't brag with it. She will just be cool. She don't talk around. She don't make friends. She don't talk to people. But you will go know when you're going to tell. But the day she will be ready to finish you, she will carry you and sit you down, and she will tell you your life history. That share where you for sit down. Is a base the way you go. Before you will find yourself, take go so what day bed no ya lobby. Yes. When she wants to start this fight, she says she won't come bring bottle for my head. I bet she won't break this thing. Okay. At the end of the day, what is she fit talk? What know they even they exist for anywhere? Na so area we do to take action. My eye correction. But see as I read your family history with details. Yeah. I am reading your life with details. The thing shock you way. Now you can't talk say na Peter so na dem be no be Peter so. Na so omono nyagbon bi. Iya you bog begwe ha we lare nu jatu gbina. But on again gbina ga de yin hia gwe na gbomomo with full confidence. U gbe me na gbomomo yan agbo yi. So enya yi gbina ni.
The time, everything, the color of your hair you wear, they can describe you. These are bitter soul.
Okay.
These are bitter soul.
Okay. That's here.
They are so bitter. No matter of the good you will do for them. Or how film where I was saying here.
Yes.
They are ungrateful people.
Because they sit down who am here. Or see another Peter so is soon a boo yes. They sit down. So boy I go me we see them the same magic. But they sit down wa here. I have a Peter so we because and we be say some Peter so they come and they will come beat you on top of that your good. You don't do good for the thing, you know they say one place, your mouth don't go stay one place. You know they say that two people they spoil good. Don't be one. If you do good for person, you will do and not spoiler. The person will you do and for fist spoiler, now two people they spoil good. I don't want.
Don't ever near them in your life. And don't move with them. If they are close to you, run. Borrow leg, join your leg.
I run away.
Run. Then they give you sign. I don't fair turn at the sign where you tell no say they are so bitter. When they talk to you, they go they repeat one word 2 times. No say these people, this person.
But you have been repeating Peter since now. This video don't grief now. So Peter with the earphone inside. Does it mean that you are a Peter so? Because you number one Peter so we know for live video.
No joy.
Sure
But when you sit there outside live, you will think they have joy. Now stamp joy and they get. It's not from their soul. It's not from their hearts. Now finta, as it a lot talk and finta. Fake laugh. Why did they laugh? Fake laugh. And when you tell them your plan, I want to do this, I'm about to do this, you go just condemn that your plan. Yes, sister, not do more. Brother, not do more because this thing what you want to do so, it's not good though.